Okay, today we are going to start by making a Triplatform. So we'll go ahead and start our program like we do usually. Click on Part, let it load, hit 2D Sketch, XY Plane. Today you're going to use the Line tool and you're going to draw a basic shape that almost looks like a triangle, but it has a few angle pieces in it. So if you follow my line presentation, starting at the bottom, I'll draw a straight line to the left. Come up vertically, again straight line, go to the right horizontally and then down, and then we're going to connect this down at an angle, making sure that these two endpoints connect. So we have it almost a triangle, but these two arms here make it a little different. Now we're going to give it dimensions. Okay, this left side of the Triplatform is going to be 46 inches. So we're going to hit 46. And I'm going to hit my word front to zoom it back out. Top line is going to be 44. This right side up here is going to be 6 inches. And then this lower arm here is 7.75. You do not need to dimension the angle. If you have all your other dimensions correct, the angle in itself dimensions itself, so it's fine. You're going to go ahead and finish your sketch. I'm going to hit my little house here in the corner so that I can zoom it back in. We're going to extrude this platform the same way we did the main platform in the climbing wall, 3 inches. Now the only thing we have left to do is we got to put a hole in each of the corners of the Triplatform so our poles can fit in them. If you remember, based on the climbing wall or on the main platform, we have to do a 2D sketch and click on the front. That way we can have our drawing tools come back. And we're going to use that point again. The point is how we are going to create holes. So I put one here at the bottom, one here in the left top, and one here in the right top. And just like the main platform, those holes or points need to be specifically a certain distance from the edge. And again, it's going to be 4 inches. So I hit the word dimension, and I'm going to click this bottom edge once, and then click this point once, and make that 4 inches. I'm going to click the left edge once, and then the point again, and make that 4 inches. We're going to do that the whole way around. So left edge to the point, top edge to the point. Oops, I missed it there. Top edge to the point, 4 inches. Right side to the point. Missed it. I keep missing it. Right edge and the point. Alright, let's hit dimension again. It's not letting me do it. There we go. It does not want to do this one. Let's start with the point maybe to the edge. There we go. 4 inches. Top down to the point, 4 inches. Sorry, that can be frustrating, but getting these each 4 inches apart from the edges is great. You'll finish your sketch, do your hole. We're going to go through the whole thing again, so make sure it has termination through all, and the hole diameter is going to be 4 inches. You should see these turn into holes, and if not, you might have to go in and click actually on the points to make the hole happen, and you'll hit OK. You'll then go up to File, Save As. Again, make sure your folder opens up, or your name. You're going to call this Triplatform, and you can see I've already saved it here as that, so I don't need to save it today. So your ultimate goal is to get the Triplatform done.